Darlene here from WTI, and I want to share my opinion on this gorgeous wine aerator from HiCoup. So it's made from 100% lead-free hand-blown glass, and it's beautifully sophisticated and unique in appearance, but it also serves a function. So I have red wine in here, and when you pour it in through this large spout here, the process allows it to aerate, enhance the bouquet, the aroma, the flavor, and then you just pour it out with this beautiful narrow non-drip spout here, just like that. Of course you can use it for orange juice or water or other things, but I prefer red wine personally. So I think it is just gorgeous to look at. It also makes a great gift. Comes in a nice box. I tossed mine, but if you want to give it as a gift, I highly recommend. We're really happy with it, and I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.